When you're learning connected parenting, it's really easy to fall into believing that maybe you've done irreparable damage or that you have failed when you emotionally misattune to your child or when you lose control and you yell. And you will. Everybody does. But looking back from my vantage point of now having a 19-and-a-half-year-old, I know that that is actually what's made our relationship really real and also really connected and solid. My son knows that if he makes a mistake, he can apologize and repair and that we're still good because he's seen me do that. He knows that if I make a mistake, that I'll apologize and repair and that we can still be connected even if we have different perspectives. And he's forgiving of me. He cuts me slack because he's experienced that himself. We have a strong, connected relationship.